And I like Harry Potter related things. Ignore this. This is just like a failed potion that I don't really want to throw away. Ignore. These are my 30 pen stuff. I cannot locate my hand, sorry. This is my owl. My owl is just chilling in the corner. Hoot, hoot, hoot. And I don't know why, I put this in. It's like a cotton ball that I decorated as an axolotl. So, yeah, just like chilling in his chair. Relax. Okay. And I really have no idea why I put this here. I want it down for some reason, but goodbye. And these are my potions, neatly organized. And this is my clock on the wall because I noticed I had a giant hole for some reason. And that's pretty much it. That's my Harry Potter shrine.